Hey, what's up YouTube? This is PecanPie94. What's going on? I got this new Zippo lighter that I bought at the mall that I go to a lot. And they're selling these Zippo lighters. They had 5 rotating cases full of them. They're all very, very cool. They had different brands like liquor, beer, like alcohol drinks, football teams, you know, etc. Stuff like that. Or you can get different ones, but if they were silver finish or a shiny finish, then you can get them engraved. And the cheapest ones that were there were like 18, well, I'll just estimate it, 20 bucks. And then for $5 extra you can get it engraved. So that's what I did. And so anyway, that's what I did. So I bought me a Zippo lighter for, it was actually $18.95, but I'm running it to 20 because after tax. And then with the Zippo, and then I got it engraved. And then what else? Oh yeah, and then the dude filled it up for me. Not all the way, but he gave me a little bit so I can use it a few times. But this is it right here. The Zippo. Now, I have no idea how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try to show you if you can see. If you look closely, if I can stop shaking my hand. So now on a steady surface, I know to keep my balance. But if you can see very closely, it says P-Funk. I got it to say P-Funk, obviously, because that's my nickname. And I'll light it for you. See? I'm gonna turn off my fan. There it is. Stinks, though. Really stinks. Yeah, it stinks. But that's fun. That's it right there. So that cost me a total of like 26 something, and obviously it came with a little box. I'm not gonna keep the box, as in like, I'm not gonna keep the Zippo in the box, obviously. I am, but I'm gonna keep the box also. But this is what the box looks like. It says Zippo on it, obviously. And that is a little brand right there. And then on the back, it has the barcode and Zippo again and some more. Oh, that's the address to the Zippo company. But here, let me open up the box. I'll show you what it will look like inside. See, and this is what it looks like without the Zippo inside of it. Yeah. Sorry I paused so much, paused so long for that. My computer glitched and I didn't know if it was gonna work. So if you see my face like looking at the camera going like that for like a good 10 seconds, it's because my computer glitched and I was making sure the video was still running. So I thought it was gonna say error, and I was gonna be like, really? But anyway, sorry about that awkward moment there. But yeah, that's the inside. I'll show you like a good 10 seconds. But now I'll put the lighter back in the um, box away so I can show you what it looks like when I first got it. I mean, it wasn't in the box, obviously, when I first got it. It was in that case. But they put it in this for me, so gonna definitely keep the box though. But so it looks like inside. But yeah. To be honest with you, it's definitely worth the money I paid for it, in my opinion. I'm definitely happy with it. It's funny, I don't even remember what the store was called. But it's like a new place. Actually, to tell the truth, there used to be a little toy store there, but I didn't even know they closed down. I think that's where they are now, in the mall. But anyway. But it's a good upgrade because because my old lighter, which I'm going to use this for backup, is this little basic uh, Bic lighter. Got that for like 99 cents at the mall, U-Mall. I mean, sorry, at the mall. And I've been using my Zippo all day, and it's kind of weird because this lighter is kind of, see, that's my own big one, but because I've been using my Zippo lighter all day, and that lighter, that big one, is a little rusty because I left it out in the rain, so it's a little hard to light. So using my brand new Zippo lighter, not really used. I forgot how, you know, how much, because you have to, when you use your thumb to light the lighter, you have to apply a little extra pressure, like a little bit more muscle into this one, because it's rusty, so it's harder to move the little dial thing that lights the lighter for you. But obviously my Zippo's not rusty because I just got it, so all I have to do is go doop to light that. I have to go really jam my thumb down to get it. Sometimes it takes me a few tries to do it because it's so rusty. But anyway, that's my Zippo lighter. Um, that's a Zippo. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it, and I hope you like my new Zippo lighter. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Till next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Add, subscribe, comment, and rate. Peace.